Hey Twinning, hi. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Toybat and this is Timelapse. On today's video, I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. Let's just say we are going to be showing you a tutorial of how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. So if you're interested, keep watching. Are you interested? So guys, if you've gotten to this stage, it only means you're interested. So the first thing you're going to need for this video is a stable tripod, or wherever you're going to place your phone on should be stable. Like it shouldn't flinch, it should just be stable. And then the next thing you'll need is a script. You should have a written form of whatever you would like to see or would like to do. Just write it down, practice it, and you're good to go. Then the next thing you're going to do is to film it. Film your first video and your second video, just like I did mine. And I'm going to show you guys how I edit it. Hey Twinnie! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Toybat and this is... On today's video, I'm going to be showing you a video on how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. Don't just say we are going to be showing you a video of how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. So now we're done filming the first character. We're going to move to the second character now. So what I feel I'm going to do and I should do here is whatever I said there, I'm going to repeat it in my mind, then speak out the answer. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So hi, tie bags. So guys, now that we're done filming the video, the next thing we're going to do is to edit it. So we're going to make use of our CapCut for the editing. You go to your CapCut, click on new project and click on the first video that you filmed. Then click on overlay, add overlay and click on the second video that you filmed. Once we're done with that, you move it into place, you adjust it to fit the second one. Once you're done with that, you go straight to max, click on max and then click on horizontal, then move it towards the direction of the arrow, and we're done with that. So this is our result. I'm going to show you how the end product is. And mind you, before I show you the end result, I did some cuts for the parts that are not necessary in the video. So I did some cuts out and yeah, here's the end result. Hey Twinning, hi. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Toybat and this is Timelapse. On today's video, I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. Let's just say we are going to be showing you a tutorial of how to clone yourself by having two of yourself in one video. So if you're interested, keep watching. Are you interested? If you like this video, which I know you like it, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.